can I just copy content from other websites? And there's a little bit of question is, what happens if I copy content from another website that already performed really well in SEO? Say, for example, an auto repair website, and I just look up the top ranking 3 websites in that niche and copy content from all 3 of them. Why wouldn't this work?
Well, okay. Let's be clear. If you just copying content, copying and pasting, it won't work. Google knows well enough where the content originates from. Goes way back. I'm talking decade plus ago. Google understood, hey, this is the same content in other places. And generally speaking, the person that wins that war of, hey, I have the same copy as they have. Why aren't you showing mine? Even if you're the actual originator of that content, lots of times if that content was copied by a way more established website, one that's got a lot more links, one that's got a lot more authority, they would actually potentially rank better than you, even if you're a copy. So Google knows copy, right? They know the existing copy. They can track it. There's tools out there like Copyscape or that you can look at. It will see if people have copied your stuff all across the web. So go check out copyscape.com. Just a little plug there. I'm not getting any money on that, but it's a good site. I think I have a cool tools about that on the video. Check out our YouTube channel as well. I think it's a cool tool on Copyscape. But if just an average tool and you can check out what's done, if they can do it, Google can do it too. Trust me. Now, if you're copying content, and people do this, right? You can take your top 3 competitors, copy all that content, and rework it, right? Maybe combine it. You can probably use AI to some extent to kind of massage it. Of course, you want to add your own flavor, your own taste to it, your own voice to it as well. People have been doing that forever, right? That's just, basically taking what's already there and making it better, right? Building a better mousetrap. So you've investigated 3 mousetraps. You go, here, I'm going to put this is good, this is good, this is good from all 3 designs. You're going to make one design that's even better and incorporates all these cool things. Well, that's different. Then you're making new copy or new content based on content that already is working. But don't forget, it's not just about your content. Having the best piece of content won't mean crap if you've got no authority, no trust, you got no links, your SEO on page is crap. If it's off topic or it's off, topically related content, it's not going to help you. So, if you're copying somebody in the neighborhood and you're putting their copy on your content and you're also in the neighborhood, well, you can get sued possibly. So be careful. Definitely don't copy paste, but copy, paste, tweak, massage, reword, that's fine. That usually won't be a problem. And it is what a lot of people do. They look at lots of different content and they make a better piece of content by getting it to everybody all at once. So hopefully that helps.
And just a funny little bit I can add in my very early web design career, it was maybe the 2nd site I'd ever done, but I got a client. And when I asked him for content, he just pointed me to an existing website. He was like, yeah, just use all this. I was like, well, I can't just take all this. He was like, no, he's a friend of mine. He said it's okay. It was all lies. And that guy eventually contacted me and was really pissed. I'm like, I'm sorry, I didn't know. Like, he told me you guys were friends. He said I should just use all this stuff. So yeah, you got to be careful with that.
It was pretty common back in the day as well. In fact, what people would do is they'd have a website that ranked really well, right, with all their content, and they would go out and buy like 10, 20 domains, different domain names, and put the exact same website. Maybe change it. Some of them not even change the color, exactly the same thing. And back in those days, Google wasn't nearly as good and intelligent in a sense as it is now. The whole first 10 items on the Google search bar were that same exact website, but under different domain names. So that's one of the reasons why Google got rid of all that and really made an effort to diminish duplicate content. Now, there's no penalty. Keep in mind, no penalty. It's just you're not going to get shown. Right? Google is going to find the one that's most relevant, most reliable, most trustworthy, and show that one.